We start with the most basic code. This works perfectly, but there's a problem. It only works for one number, hard-coded 5. What if the user wants to check their own number? So we improve it. User can now enter any number. But wait, what if we want to check multiple numbers? We have to run the program again and again. To solve that, we introduce a loop. Now the program runs continuously. User can check multiple numbers. But another problem appears. The code is getting messy. Logic is repeating again and again. And using while true plus break is not always clean. So we improve readability. Now it's more readable. But still, the even, odd logic is stuck inside the loop. We can't reuse it anywhere else. If we need it again, we must rewrite it. This was the real problem. Imagine, you are building a big project. You need this even, odd logic in multiple files, different parts of code. Will you copy-paste every time? That's a bad practice. So programmers created something powerful called functions. Think of a function like a machine. You give input, it processes, gives output. Instead of building the machine again and again, you just use it. And this is how programming evolves. Not by writing more code, but by writing better code. So if you enjoyed this journey, like the video and drop your thoughts and comments.